let's see how to boost your webinar registrations using the Instagram. So what you can do is, if you want to promote a webinar on Instagram, you can actually promote it through by post or reels, or even you can post stories as well. So what you can do here is that instead of just sending them or ask them to visit your bio and tap on the link to register or something like that, what you can do is you can actually activate the AI chatbot automations to handle the registration for you. So let's see how to implement this one over here. So let's say you actually post a Instagram reel or post and ask people to comment a specific keyword, and from there you can actually trigger DM automation campaigns within the Instagram itself and send your webinar link, ask for their details, and even send follow-up messages or emails afterwards as well. So let's see how to do that right here. So here I'm in a demo account, and we have this particular Instagram account connected right here, which is a demo Chatic Media right here. So this is the account. So to connect your accounts, you can go to the settings over here. So let's see how to utilize our free template for this one. So here, let me go to the flows over here. So in flows, you will see all free templates. So let me click on this one. So it will take you to all the free templates, and here you will find the webinar registration with email collection. So let me click on this particular template, or yeah, let's do that. So let me click on that particular template, and here you can actually feel free to customize any text or links or specific details aligned with your business or brand style. So here, this is just an example. So this is how the chatbot flow looks like. So when someone actually comments a specific keyword, so let's say when someone comments webinar on your Instagram reel or post, then this particular automation will be sent to them automatically in the DMs, and they have the option to sign up for the webinar, or they can actually request more information as well. So if they request more information, it simply sends some information about that particular webinar and ask them if they would like to sign up. So if they say sign up, and here we will actually ask them for their email address and also set the email opt-in as well, so that we can actually send any sort of future email marketing campaign within our platform as well. And here, once they provide the email, we actually provide them the webinar link as well. So what you can do is with using Zapier or any other tools like Make or Pabbly, you can also automatically register for their webinar as well. So here, integrations, we have integrations with Zapier, Make or Pabbly. So for example, if you are using like webinar or some other software, after you collect their email, you can also create a webinar attendee using the Zapier or other platforms right here. But this is just a simple example right here, where we actually ask them for the email and also just provide them with the webinar link as well. So we also send them an email as well immediately after. We also send the same link in the DMs as well. So here, before the event, so here the event is on January 30 2025. So before, like one day before the event, we also send this particular reminder as well. So likewise, you can also send reminders, or as soon as the event starts, you can actually send any sort of email. And here, one day before the event, we send a reminder as well. So here you can also send any sort of reminders just 1 hour before. You can actually customize according to your needs right here. So let's see how to activate this particular flow when someone actually comments on your Instagram reel or post. So for that, you have to go to auto marketing over here. So in auto marketing, you have to choose Instagram comment automations, choose this one, and here let me create a new one over here. So let's choose a webinar, and here you can actually promote your webinar in multiple Instagram posts or reels. So for that, you can simply choose all post, and it will simply works for the future post as well. So let's choose all post and private reply to comment. So what sort of private reply you want to send them when they comment a specific keyword webinar? So you have to choose this particular flow, webinar registration with email collection template. So let me choose that particular flow right here. So let me search as a webinar registration with email collection template and public reply to the comment. So when they comment as webinar, what sort of public comment replies you want to add on your end? So what you can do here is that send you a DM sent. So here you can actually have your own variations as well, and reply to. So we want to trigger this automation only if they comment as webinar. That's it. So other missions, so you have more control right here. And here you have other options as well. You can even delay this one as well. Instead of sending this immediately, you can actually delay this one as well. So let me click save right here. Alright, so make sure you activate this one before we test as well. Alright, I have just activated. So now let's test how this actually works. So here I'm in the Instagram account over here. So let me open any sort of reel or post right here and comment the keyword webinar over here. So the keyword we set up was webinar. So let's see what happens. So I just added a comment webinar right here. So it should actually send us a DM right here. And as you can see, it sent a DM and it says, "Hi Robert, want to learn how AI chatbot can transform your business? Join our free webinar, Boost Your Business with AI." And it's on this particular date, ready to sign up. So let me say, yes, sign me up, and let's see what happens. So it actually asked me for the email. So let me provide this particular email right here and see what happens. And it says, thanks, you are registered and here's your webinar link. So here they get the webinar link instantly as well. And here it says we also sent it to your email, see you on this particular date. So let me go to the email and see if we have received any sort of messages as well. So let me share my mobile once again, and here this is the email we just received. It says your webinar link for the Boost Your Business with AI Chatbots, and it says this is the email, these are the details, and here the webinar link is again right here. And here they will also receive another email just one day before the event saying the reminder, but you can actually customize this one and change the dates and customize accordingly. So that's a quick video on how you can actually boost webinar registration using Instagram. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.